In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate subtitle likes Hormozi. So without any time hostage, let's get started. First, I'm going on submagic. This link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. Now you need to drag and drop your video. So I am using Ali Abdal video. Then I want to generate Hormozi type caption. Now select your language here, any kinds of language, at least 30 plus language. I think it's good for you. Just click on upload. After a few seconds, it will be complete. Okay, this is a point. Just click on Hormozi. Three type of caption: Hormozi 1, Hormozi 2, and Hormozi 3. So I'm using first one.
In this video, we're going to be looking at 4 things that you can.
This is good things. Then second one.
In this video, we're going to be looking at.
Wow. Third one.
In this video, we're going to be looking at 4.
Here are 3 type of caption are really good. I choose second one. You can choose any one. Then click on caption. If you have found any mistake here, you are recorrection here. It's easy, very easy. So only this AI tool provide you like Hormozi type caption. You cannot find anywhere on internet. This is very difficult to find the others website. This is very easy drag and drop subtitle AI subtitle creator. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You are able to create 4 types of caption like 16 by 9, 1 by 1, 4 by 5, and 9 by 6. You can upload anywhere. Then click on export. Then click on export. It's already processing right now. After exporting this video, you need to click on just. And this is a very popular website. If I going this tool similar web, and you can see it's on millions of people just using this AI tool every single month. Then if I scroll down, and most of the people coming from United States, Brazil, India, and France. This is a very good things. Then click on download video. It's already downloading. Start right now. So this is a method how you can create like Hormozi type of caption for any kinds of video using this AI tool. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.